Hey guys, I will be doing some roast fish today. So as you can see, I have some of the ingredients pre-prepped. Even the callaloo, I've washed it already, strip it and everything. I wash it in salt water. So now I will be showing you how I cut it up. I've started the process already, cutting up this one for you to see. Remember guys, always wash your veggies clean. Make sure you use salt when you're washing your callaloo. That's a method that I always use. So if there is any insect on it, they will just fall off and you will see. I always steam my callaloo. You know, sometimes the callaloo are very tough, so you have to just steam it first. It is best you do it like that. I'm going to slice up my okras just like this. So the seasoning that I'm going to use on my fish today will be jerk seasoning, some fish season that is Maggi, and some all-purpose seasoning and some ginger powder. I won't be using much seasoning because fish, you don't need too much seasoning on it. Also to add, you want to cut away rawness from your fish. You can use vinegar or lime water. So I'm just going to coat my fish with the seasoning from inside and out. These kinds of fish are called tilapia and I grow them in my backyard. My fish is properly washed with my lime and vinegar. Yes. So I'm just coating the fish with my seasoning so that when you're eating it, everything is well flavored. As you can see, I'm just steaming my callaloo to stuff my fish. I'm just adding some garlic and later on I'll put the rest of season in the callaloo. It's about that time, so I'm just going to stuff my fish with my callaloo. So I'm going to coat my file paper with the butter to prevent my fish from burning or sticking. I'm going to repeat the same process for all my fishes. If you have reached this far in this video, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is the final product, guys. It came out pretty well. It is so delicious. Stay tuned, guys. I have lots more videos, cooking videos for you to watch. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.